Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurafida bin Jabbar Abdul Rashid Han. My material number is 272630. Today we're going to present about study in automotive industry in Malaysia related to factors that influence the performance that can affect the sustainability from 2015 to 2019. Okay, many of the country are highly wanted to drive economic growth, job creation and technological investment in the automotive industry, including in the automotive part industry. There's no exception to that in the Asian countries. In the last few decades, they have managed to grow individual automotive industry partly by applying local content standard, high tariff, investment incentive and fiscal policies designed to encourage and protect their respective industry. Accordingly, for 2011, motor vehicles production amounted to 533,515 vehicle units, comprising 488,261 passenger units and 45,254 commercial vehicle units, according to the Malaysian Automotive Association MAA. Next is issues and problems. The main business imperative now recognizes sustainability, which drive cost savings as well as value creation. While several businesses are already in place with a plan, there is an increased need to concentrate on corporate excellence, risk management, product creativity, development and governance. Sustainable achievement ensure that employees do outstanding work without slipping into a pit of burnout or workaholism. Sustainable success ensure that the company delivers a high quality goods and services efficiently and effectively. Next, research objective and research question. First objective is to study the relation between internal factors toward the performance that can affect the sustainability. The second one is to examine relation between external factors toward the performance that can affect the sustainability, and the last one is to identify the relation between internal and external factors toward the performance that can affect the sustainability. This is question. The first one is there any of internal factors that give highest impact on the performance that can affect the sustainability? The second one is there any external factors that give highest impact on performance that can affect on the sustainability? And the last one is there any of internal and external factors combined that give highest impact on performance that can affect the sustainability? Okay. The main goal of all roaming operation is profitability. Without performance, businesses would not succeed in the long run. Therefore, the current and past efficiency is limited, and forecast the potential profitability are significant according to Don Hofstrand 2009, and the ROA and ROE are the most critical ratio of business result.
Hi, my name is Noharifa binti Mazuki. My material number is 264765. So, firm-specific factors that used in this study is ROE, current ratio, operating margin, and CG index. For the macroeconomic factors are GDP, unemployment rate, and inflation rate. So, methodology. Year observation that used in this study is 5 recent years, which is from 2015 to 2019. The method that used in this study to analyze the data is by using the FPSS. The data gained from the annual report of Sime Darby Berhad, UMW Holdings Berhad, and Burmas Auto Berhad from 2015 to 2019. Descriptive analysis. Descriptive statistics are used to describe the fundamental data features in the analysis according to Prof. William M. K. Trochim. The analysis and the steps taken are defined quickly. They form the basis practically of the quantitative analysis of the data in conjunction with simple graphical analysis. The average is the average of each variable, while default is the variable dispersion for each variable. So this is descriptive statistic for Model 3. We took the Model 3 because it contains both of the firm-specific factors and macroeconomic factors. So this is correlation. So from the significant value, we can see that the operating margin have the value of 0.000, which is less than 0.05. So this means that operating margin have the most significant with the dependent variable, which is ROE. Okay, for the less significant variable is CD index, which the value of the significant is 0.408.
Depending on the ANOVA table, the model that mirrors the unemployment rate, inflation, GDP, CG index, operating margin, and the current ratio as extra independent variables. The p-value, or we can say the significant level, is 0.001, which is less than 0.05. This significant level tells that the adjustment model have consistent variables, which is very significant to predict the outcome variables. Next, in the model summary, ROE is used to represent industrial performance. The method used to index rejection analysis is the entire method. The models selected by SPSS include inflation, unemployment, and operating profit rates, CD index, GDP is, and current ratios. The value of R square is 0.862, and the value of R square close to 1 means that linear rejection is rated in the same way in the model. A value of 2 means that the sample does not direct autocorrelation. Value from 0 to less than 2 show positive autocorrelation, and value from 2 to 4 show negative autocorrelation. In this study, the Darwin-Watson value is 2.878, indicating that there is a negative autocorrelation. For this analysis, we will use the standard coefficient beta t-value and p-value. The variable with the highest value is significantly correlates with ROE. The highest operating profit margin is 0.919. The p-value of operating margin coefficient analyzed is 3.158, and the highest t-value will show the lowest p-value of 0.009. A p-value below 0.05 means that the suitability of the automotive industry will be affected by operating profit margins. After our analysis, we can conclude the most significant is internal factor operating margin and external factor inflation rate, and less significant is internal factor current ratio and external factor unemployment rate. But although corporate governance is not connected to liquidity risk, corporate governance will help preserve the stability of the business.